Hello 7th standard students, welcome back to the class 7. So in the last class we have started with exercise number 2.3 and we have started with the word problems. In the word problems we have solved some of the examples and you have solved some of the examples. In this class you are going to learn and some more problems of word problems. Okay, so see here what is the question says. So question is what must be subtracted from 90.1 to get 9.01. Okay dear students, what must be subtracted from 90.1 to get 9.01. So see here dear students, question says, so see here subtracted, so I write 90.1, what must be subtracted to get, so I will write this as plus k subtracted, what must be subtracted means I will write 90.1, I will choose one more as k, which is equals to 9.09. Okay dear students, so this is our question, but the question is subtracted, so just I will put here minus sign. Okay, so now I need to solve this. Okay dear students, so see here it is minus k, so k is equals to, I will write this as 9 point, so minus k is equals to 9.09 minus of 90.1. So just to do subtraction, this 90.1 minus of 9.0, so you are getting this as 90.1 minus of 9.09. Okay, so this you have to do as subtraction. If you do this subtraction, so see here 90.1, so 90.1 minus of 9.09, so this you need to increase one 0 here. Okay, just this is like decimals, unlike decimal, just increase this as like decimal. So again 10 minus 9 is again 1 carry, again 1 minus 1 is again 0, again decimal point we keep as it is. So we this write this as, so we this write this as 1 carry here, so again it is 10 minus 9, so 10 minus 10 is again 0, again 1 carry here, 9 minus 1 which is equals to 8. Okay, so this is again, see here 10 minus 9 which is equals to 1, again 1 carry here, again 10 minus 1 which is equals to, we are getting this as 10 minus 10 which is equals to 1 minus 1 which is equals to 0. Similarly 10 minus 9, similarly 10 minus 9 which is equals to 1, and similarly we have 9 minus 1 carry here, 9 minus 1 which is equals to 8, so it is 81.01. Okay, so see here dear students, once again see the question I have taken as 90.1 minus of k which is equals to 9.09. so this is according to the question. So see here minus k will keep as it is, 9.09 I will write as it is, so this is 90.91, so I will write this as minus of 90.1. Okay, so see here just you do subtraction of 90.1 minus of 9.09. If you do the subtraction, so if you do a 10 minus 9 you are getting this as 1, similarly 1 carry here, 1 minus 1 which is equals to 0, so and this is 0 and this is 9, so 10 minus 9 which is equals to 1 carry here, 9 minus 1 which is equals to 8, so it is 81.01. okay, so minus k is equals to minus of 81.01. okay, so minus both get cancelled, the answer you are getting as k is equals to 81.01. so this is your required answer. Okay, so pause the video to note down this problem. Hello dear students, now welcome back to the one more question of exercise number 2.3. so see here dear students, a 12th question says Varsha bought 7 kg 100 gram rice and 1 kg 500 gram wheat, and Rita bought 5 kg 400 gram rice and 3 kg 600 gram wheat. Find out which one of them bought more of rice and taken together. Okay, so this is the according to the question. So see here we are having the two girls Varsha and Rita. So Varsha bought 7 kg 100 gram of rice and 1 kg of 500 gram wheat. Similarly Rita bought 5 kg 400 gram rice and 3 kg 600 gram wheat. So find out which one of them bought more of rice and wheat taken together. So see here, dear students, first I will write the given thing. So I will write, first I will make two columns. So Varsha and Rita. Okay, and similarly I write rice in kg. Rice in kg, that is Varsha brought rice how much? Varsha brought rice, that is 7 kg point 100 gram, means I will write 7.1. Similarly Rita brought 5 kg 5 kg 400 gram, means I will write this as 5.4. Similarly I will write one more column, that is wheat. So wheat I will write in again in kg. So again I will write wheat in kg. So wheat, how much he brought at Varsha? Varsha he brought the wheat 1 kg 500 grams, means I will write this as 1.5. Okay. Similarly Rita brought the wheat. So Rita brought the wheat, how much it is? It is 3 kg 600 grams, means I will write this as 3.6. Okay. So this is the column. So we need to calculate, what we need to calculate? So find out which one of them bought more of rice and wheat taken together. So this is your column. So just we will do this addition. Okay. So I will write this as one more column, that is total weight. So total I will do. So see here. So total, if I do this, what are you getting? So 7.1 plus 1.5. So 7.1 plus 1.5. 7.1 plus of 1.5, so it is for 1 plus 5, which is equals to 6, decimal point as it is. Similarly 7 plus 1, which is equals to 8, so this is 8.6. Okay. Similarly 5.4 plus 3.6. Similarly 5.4 plus 3.6. So what will be this? So 6 plus 4, which is equals to 10. Again one carry here. So 5 plus 4. 5 plus 4. So 5 plus 4 is how much it is? It is 9. So this is 9.0. So what we can give the conclusion? From the question, what we can give the conclusion? So see here, Rita bought more quantity of rice and wheat together than Varsha. So therefore you can write, therefore Rita. So Rita bought more amount of rice and wheat. So Rita bought more amount of rice and wheat together than Varsha. Okay. So this is the conclusion. Firstly, what you have to write? So see, Varsha brought 7 kg 100 gram of rice. Similarly, wheat he brought 1 kg 500 gram. We have to do the total of rice and wheat. If we do the total of rice and wheat, we are getting this as 8.6. Similarly, Rita brought, that is 5 kg 400 grams of rice and 3 kg 600 gram of wheat. If you do this total 5.4 plus 3.6, you are getting this as 9.0. So see here, if you compare both Varsha's weight and this one Rita's weight, so Rita's weight is more than Varsha. So see here what we can write. So Rita bought more amount of rice and wheat together to Varsha. So this is your conclusion. Okay. So pause the video to note down this problem. Hello dear students, now welcome back to the one more question of exercise number 2.3. The question says, how much is 75.2 kilometer less than 84.5 kilometer? Okay, see the question here. Whenever we are having less than, so see that whenever we are having the less than, we have to use the subtraction symbol, as we learned the conversion of statement to equation. Similarly, when we have more than, we have to use as plus sign. So see here the question says, how much is 75.2 kilometer less than 84.5 5 kilometers. So see here, first I will write this as equation as 84.5 kilometer. Okay, is less than means I will write this as minus 75.2 kilometer. So this is the according to the question I am writing. Okay, so see here I am writing according to 84.5 minus of 75.2 kilometer I am writing. Okay, I need to find out this answer, which is equals to, I write k. Okay, so see here value, I need to find the value of k. So k is equals to, I write 84.5 kilometer minus of 75.2 kilometers. So just do the subtraction. 84.5 minus of 75.2. So 5 minus 2, which is equals to 3 decimal point. Similarly 14 minus 5, which is equals to 9. One carry here, 8 minus 8, which is equals to 0. So k is equals to, you are getting this as 9.3 kilometer. Okay, so k is equals to 9.3 is your required answer. So these are the 3 word problems I have solved from your exercise, and some more examples from your exercise you have to solve by yourself, and you need to complete this exercise number 2.3. so 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19. So these examples you solve by yourself, and you have to send me on my WhatsApp number. If you want, you can call me. I will send the PDF if you are not getting. Okay, so pause the video to note down all the problems.